Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by crafting Eyes of Ender right away. Combine each ender pearl with blaze powder at a crafting table. Make at least a dozen so you can afford misses. Once done, store them in a hotbar slot for quick use and carry food in blocks. This reduces backtracking. Make sure to keep a stack of spare eyes, about 20% more, because they sometimes break. This step is short, but it sets you up to locate the stronghold efficiently and avoids wasted trips. You now track the stronghold by throwing an eye and following its flight. The eye flies forward and either breaks or lands and points the direction. Once you get consistent bearings, walk toward where it leads and repeat every 50-100 blocks to correct drift. Mark each throw location with torches or blocks so you can backtrack. This prevents circular wandering. When an eye suddenly dives into the ground, that signals the stronghold is beneath, so stop throwing and ready your tools to dig down safely. You reach the portal room, clear mobs, and light the area. This prevents interruptions while you finish. Inspect the 12-frame portal. Insert eyes into empty frames one by one until the portal activates. Make sure to place them methodically so you don't miss a single frame. An empty slot prevents activation. If an eye breaks or you run low, use spares from your inventory. If you encounter lava or falling gravel, use blocks and ladders to secure the area. Troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.